Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at our brand new silent combo keyboard and mice. This would be the KM555. And if you're familiar with the keyboard portfolio that we have from a Dell technology standpoint, maybe you've used the KM7120W, maybe you've used the KM7321W. This would be the silent version of some of our other keyboards and mice combos. Super excited to jump into the unboxing. Let's take a look. So we got the KM555. Let's go ahead and check out the unboxing. Key thing with this keyboard is silent and compact. Pretty sweet when you look at it. Place that down. Let's flip it around this way. You have a wonderful mouse. You have a little box. Batteries, which we're going to use. Quick start guide. Regulatory safety information, all of the good stuff that you'd expect with a keyboard mouse combo. Nothing else in the box. Let's take a closer look at the keyboard. So the cool thing about this, holy, so quiet. You notice it right away. You do have your rubber feet over here, placed for the USB dongle, your batteries, which let's go ahead and plug them in. See the power button there, turning it on off. One Bluetooth device and one with the dongle. And the dongle, in case you're wondering where it is in the mouse. And we'll take a look at this in just a second. But super quiet. When you compare it to, say, the KM7321W, still a slick little device, but look at how much louder, and I'm typing just as hard. Definitely a quiet keyboard, so love to see that. And then if you're to look at the mouse side by side, this would be the one with the KM7321W, or maybe you're using the KM7120, but we're here focusing in on this new KM555. So as we return to office, you definitely don't want to be sharing keyboards at times. You never know how gross they can be. Pop this in your bag. It's a quiet keyboard, so not going to be disruptive. I am pressing pretty hard on these keys. And then the mouse. Look at the difference in sound quality. I'm slamming this. Super quiet. They did a great job. So, popping the dongle out. So if I wanted to connect with USB-A, I certainly can. Or pair with Bluetooth. I just toggle the mode there. Super quiet. But let's take a look at Dell Peripheral Manager and we'll continue the overview. Let's go ahead and put the battery. It's going to go right here. Turned on. Let's go ahead and turn that off. DPI all the way up to 4020. So that's 4020 DPI. You'll use Dell Peripheral Manager to target some of those settings. So looking at the silent keyboard mouse combo, you're going to see that Copilot key right there, full size arrow keys up, down, left, and right. You're going to have full access to page up, page down functionality. And then, obviously a very silent, compact design, perfect for on the go. Again, Copilot Key, full size arrow keys, really based on customer feedback from some of our other combo keyboards and mice. So I just love the details that our designers have put in. So over here, you can actually put the USB Type A dongle if you're connected via Bluetooth. And in the keyboard, again, dongle just goes right in very seamlessly. You don't have to worry about it being lost, and it's out of sight. So if you are connecting with one of the Bluetooth, either on the keyboard and mouse or both, you are able to hide it from plain sight. Go ahead and plug in the dongle. Got the mouse toggled on the first input, and we've got the keyboard. So right off the bat, you are seeing the keyboard itself, the KM555, which denotes the silent keyboard over here. It's talking about the customization you have there, the different shortcuts. And one thing you'll notice is there's a button for the calculator. So, definitely some controls at your fingertips. Let's click finish on that. Let's go back. So now we'll talk about customizing the mouse. So this is the MS355, part of the combo, what you're seeing the unboxing of. Let's click next. It's talking about different application specific settings that you can assign to the scroll mouse. Let's click finish. Device status. So batteries were just popped in. It's not connected to anything via Bluetooth just yet. 96%. You do have mouse settings. So as I mentioned in the video, we can go all the way up to 4020 DPI. You can use your primary mouse button on the left or right, and then application specific settings if you wanted to assign it via the scroll wheel and things like that. Let's go to the keyboard again. Not really a lot of customization that you can do outside of these particular keys. For instance, you wanted to change the shortcut or things like that. And then if it was connected via Bluetooth, you'd see that on screen. So silent mouse and the silent keyboard, definitely check it out. Super quiet. Kudos to the team behind these. These sound amazing. The feet and everything that has been redesigned gen on gen. Absolutely love it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care.